On this project I think we did everything wrong, more or less. So this was a complete failure and we learned a lot. Because our products, they live more or less with us, they are in the same household and they should not be just machines. That's why we give them names, to make them more personal and emotional. The names at the beginning, when I started the company, I chose the names with friends and myself, and later on now, with increasing number of staff, we do it internally. Everybody of the staff votes for a name. He sends in 5 examples and then we have a huge discussion and we choose the name by numbers. So the one that is mentioned most, usually that name is given to the product. Colors are important in our lives. They attract our attention. They're not so important for the sales numbers, but they attract people's eye in the store, in the magazines, press, PR, and it keeps the product alive. So every 2 or 3 years we choose new colors that will then also disappear. The colors are usually suggested by Matti Walker. He's one of our designers and he has an excellent background in color findings, in color determination, and he knows usually what color will be trendy, what color works well, and he gives us suggestions and we then choose it. All our designers are from Switzerland, that's a rule, and they are external. They don't work in our company. This makes them more creative. This makes them they have better insights than if they are in our office all the time. So usually they come up with unique ideas and then they go out again, come back, walk in the streets, and then the ideas are more interesting, more colorful, more unusual. And the cooperation itself is very informal. We don't have a strict criteria, we don't have a catalog, we just sit together and we brainstorm. And very often then comes out a very nice product. This is very different. Sometimes we are extremely fast, sometimes it takes maybe 9 months, like a child, from the idea until it's produced in mass production. Sometimes we have a lot of testing, we have a lot of know-how, we have a lot of things that we need to sort out first and find out. Then it can go up to 3 years. So it's very difficult to give one answer to that, but it's between 9 months and 3 years. Our most successful at this moment since 2009 is Oscar the humidifier, and we sold most of it and made the biggest turnover until last year. This year we might have a new number 1, which is Eva, the Lady Ultrasonic humidifier with the sleek shape. We introduced Eva last year and it's a big hit. So this year I think Eva will be number 1. Well, the biggest fail was a soda machine called Hugo. Hugo was developed in 2002, and on this project I think we did everything wrong, more or less. So the design was not good, the unit was too big, the quality was bad, the supplier was not good, the cooperation with the soda carbonate cylinders was difficult. So this was a complete failure and we learned a lot.